got a couple things that we need to do today. Today I'm going to plant white onions. I got about 100 bulbs. I got to find places for them. I'm explaining to Toby, he's going to do this, so I give him a guideline. Put that onion down in there. And then right here, right next to that onion. And this is how Toby learns, right Toby?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Show him what you can do. Right up and touch the onion. Because you don't want to bury it all the way. Okay. Try not to smash the dirt down. Yep. Okay, now move your stick over. Put them on top of these onions. Right on top, yep. What we're doing here, this is our carrots, so we're getting ready to plant carrots. And the bottom, probably about 6 inches from the bottom, it's really damp down there. So the top, we're fluffing about 6 inches on the top. That way the soil's soft for them to go down through. So your soil for carrots, this will be for carrots, you want it good and fluffy. So we just make sure that all the pieces, the big pieces, were broken up. One tight. This is a lemon cherry plant. Trim the leaves here. A little low. wash all the feeders and all the waters. And I use this wheelbarrow as a sink. These wheelbarrows, they come in handy in many ways. So I just throw some soapy Dawn soap or whatever soap you want to use. One more thing we have to do before we close the day up is we pressure wash all the water buckets from the geese and the chickens. Girls, we'll call it a night.